with the group. Jim was sounding good here. You're sounding good, and I don't know who else. I don't hear anybody else. I guess so. Go ahead and run with it, and I'll catch you guys next time around. WB78EM.
How about me?
Was that Harry?
Well, who do you think it was, Richard? WB78EM, K6AOM.
Well, I got the beam pointed south, so you're pretty light, Harry.
Yeah, I wondered why you sounded like you were on a barefoot radio. I just wanted to say hi.
All right, well, good morning. Hope you have a good day up there, okay? And I might be back, well, I don't know. Don't know if I'll be back in time for net this afternoon or not, Harry.
Okay, well, we'll keep the light on for you, over.
Okay, take care. And are you getting rain up there?
No, I'm not getting much of anything. Gray skies. I'll find out more when the sun comes up, over.
Okay, because I thought the whole West Coast was supposed to be getting rain. So, all right. See you later, Harry. Go ahead, Bob. WB78EM. All sign clear.
Okay, 7-3. Harry, the rain looks like it's moved somewhat down from you towards the state border.
Well, that's a good place for it. Well, we still may get some, but now we'll wait and see what happens, over.
Yeah, there's a whole another unit up by Portland, between Portland and Seattle. It's got a lot of rain in it also.
Well, I'll be darned. Well, it doesn't matter to me one way or the other if it rains or not. I know it's 2-1 for the snows to do anything, so I don't plan on going anywhere except for doctor's appointments to figure out what I'm going to do, over.
Okay, very good. And you got enough wood protected from the rain so you won't have the wood all wet when you want to have a fire?
Oh, yeah. But, here's another thing. I got my damn power bill. And I keep a little, heater in the bedroom. I keep trying to have the main heater off and subsidize that with the wood. And my bill's still $304 this month, over.
Do you have any idea what they charge you for a kilowatt hour up there?
Well, either it went way up. No, I don't know. Either it went way up, or that little heater I bought for the bedroom uses a heck of a lot more electricity than they advertise it as, over.
If you had a kilowatt, which is a plug-in meter that you can measure the consumption as far as measuring it in watts or measuring it in amps on the circuit by plugging the heater into that, and find out exactly what you're consuming, okay?
Yeah, do what?
First of all, the product is a kilowatt. That's the name of it, kilowatt, and they're available at Harbor Freight. They're available from HRO. HRO wants $40-some for it, and Harbor Freight wants.
You're talking about is just when you start talking about it, it just kind of went over my head, over.
I'm going to get out of here. John, KI7AR, are you still here? Okay, thank you, John. We'll catch up with you again. And Harry, same thing with you. And Jim and Richard's checked out already, and Andy's checked out already. So W0JLG, go ahead.
Yeah, I checked. I was watching the scope, and your trace has been nice and narrow. And so I checked on either side, and you're within the 2.5 kc envelope.
Well, just in case somebody else wanted the frequency, okay?
No, they might have been running their noise reducer or whatever. But I just thought I'd give you that information. Yeah, it's about top of the hour. I'm going to get around, get ready, and go for a walk. Should be a nice walk. Looks like it's cloudy, but not real thick clouds because it's pretty light out. It's supposed to get up to mid-50s. It's up to 42 already, so I think it'll be a nice walk. Going to be kind of have to watch where we walk, though. The ground's getting pretty soft, pretty muddy in spots. So, but that's good. We'll take it. I'll look for you this afternoon. Bob, John, Harry, Dave, Richard, I think's gone. Dave's gone. And Andy's gone. So I'll look for you guys this afternoon. KA6LSL in the group, W0JLG off.
Jim, before you go, you just reminded me of something of yesteryear. The ICOM 756 and the version 2 and the Pro, how broad they were when you turned the noise blanker on.
Yeah, they were atrocious for it. And those were always the guys that were complaining.
That's right. They complain all the time. ICOM radios that are that way unreal. But anyhow, glad I don't have any ICOM radio that I use, Jim.
Okay. Me too, since I'm staring at my ICOM 781.
Well, I got a whole host of ICOMs here, and they're all looking pretty decent. So anyhow, 7-3, John, 7-3 to you, Harry, 7-3 up your way, and everybody else is gone. KS6L sellout.
See you later, Bob. WB0GKW. Have a good day.
Kevin, I'm sorry I forgot all about you. But anyhow, have a good day, and we'll catch you another time, okay?
Here, Jimbo.